All right, so I'm back. This time we're going to use it with the Centrotech chuck, and we're going to throw in some 6-inch timber locks into a 6x6. For this we have our just a regular Centrotech chuck with the 1/4-inch drive, and let's go to town. I'm going to keep this on speed number 2 in the drill mode, so we kind of disengage the chuck, the clutch. So here we go. Buried. Put it in 1 to get it out. This thing will drive screws all day long. Sunk it. That's really hot. We'll grab another nice cool one. Do it in some end grain. Buried. This drill is awesome. It's super powerful. You're running these long screws. It does it no problem. That's so in there. Throw one this way. So the drill definitely doesn't skimp on the power. It's sending these 6-inch ledger locks all the way in there, timber locks, all the way in there in the drill mode. If you put it in the screw mode, it would engage the clutch. We'll give that a shot. Just throw in the regular. We'll keep it in the drill mode. Get some screws. So we'll throw the clutch down. So there it is with the clutch engaged, which I really like. You don't get that annoying that sound that most of the other drills. When this clutch engages, it just stops. And we'll give it a little more power. So really cool. Buried it. And that's in the speed 2. Speed 1's gonna give you way more torque. These are just some 2.5. So.